Watch these peppers. I want to do a magic with them. Look at here. Wow. Greetings my friends and welcome back to the thplants. I'm Payam and today we will embark on a delightful journey of pepper cultivation. Whether you are a seasoned green thumb or just dipping your toe in the gardening, we will get you covered by a step-by-step guide on how to plant pepper at home. To plant pepper, you don't have to do much. It's as easy as ABC. All you have to do is to prepare these equipments. It's a pot for seedles, a proper soil, a water sprinkles to water the plant, a seed, or you can just use one of these peppers and a knife to cut these peppers. So first of all, we have to prepare a good combination for pepper soil. As you can see here, we have coco peat and perlite here. Now, first thing first, we have to add a bit of water to our perlite and wait a few moments. And after that, we should mix these two combinations. After you combine coco peat and perlite, it's time to add this to our seedling tray. Now it's time to take our seeds. When you want to plant these seeds, use your knife or any equipment to create a hole at least 1 centimeter deep. Add 2 seeds into this and cover it with the. And you have to provide a proper humidity level for these seeds to grow. I recommend using a plastic bag to cover the tray as a mulching method so that the moisture and humidity, remain inside this environment that you create. Seeds grow. Gently water the tray so that the plants receive enough water. It's time to move these seedles to the larger pot. Remember that the space between two seedles should be at least 18 inches so that these plants have enough room to grow. If you are planting peppers in the garden, as I said, remember the space between two seedles, or if you want to keep them inside your home, I recommend moving each seedles into a separate pot and move them next to each other so that each seedles have space to grow. After a month and a half, these plants will start flowering, and if you take good care of these flowers and feed them with balanced fertilizers, after 2 months you can see your peppers growing, and as you take care of them, these pepper will grow and you can harvest them anytime you want. Approximately after 3 or 4 weeks after you planting the seeds, it's time to feed the plant with balanced fertilizers. But remember that you should avoid over-fertilizing because too many fertilizers can prevent the plants from growing. If you have any experience regarding planting peppers, please let us know. Or if you have any question, write us in the comments so that we can answer it. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.